not one, but 2 lipstick PR packages came. It's the PR unboxing from Elli J Beauty. Oh my god, these are all lip products. You can tell how excited I am, right? As a lip artist, this is the best that I could ever get. First of all, these are liquid lipsticks, and I have not taken the products out of the boxes yet, so that we get to do it together. These boxes I even packed, see? And Elli J Beauty, thank you so much. I'm sorry it took me that long to open the package, but it traveled the world. Somebody has to, right? It finally got to me. Let's see what the packaging is supposed to look like. Oh, that is interesting, huh? And what color is this? Ooh, a black. Love this. Classy. Here are the liquid lipsticks colors, but that's not it. That's Teal Deal, Dolores, Vintage, Coral and Sable. Oh my goodness, my favorite is of course the purple. But we have more. This package was supposed to get to me in March, by the way, but a lot of things happened. It ended up in another country, but finally I have it. Okay, hydrating lip oil, 2 pieces, and hydrating lip gloss. Let's start with the lip oil. I'm usually not too big on lip oil, but good for lip care. Then I get... Oh my god, this is a lip oil. Look guys. Oh my god, if lip oils are now like this, I'm gonna start using lip oils. I wonder what the second one is. Oh, whoa. Smells nice and it seems so pigmented as well. My goodness. I'm now curious what the lip glosses are. Are we ready? I don't know what's there. The color is called Onyx. Shut up. Shut up. Look at this. This is one of those viral glosses that is black and has all the colors of the rainbow sparkling as a hollow and it... Oh. Oh my god, I finally got one of those lip glosses. Oh my. Okay. Wait, what is the last one? Oh. This is pure silver hollow. My life is complete. Oh my... I don't even know what to tell you. I thought I would be super excited about the liquid lipsticks, and I am, but maybe I'm even more excited to try out these, especially this. And maybe that... I don't know, like, it's also because thank you, Elli J Beauty. I cannot wait to create with those. Look how pigmented the lip oils are. Huh? I want to swatch this live because I have a feeling this is gonna be amazing. Oh, like that it doesn't show up, but like this. If you're liking the video so far, please leave it a like. It helps more than you can imagine. Swatches of the Elli J Beauty lip products, the matte lipsticks, the lip oils, and the lip gloss. The hollow is stunning. And you bet I'm gonna wear these lip oils, because usually when I see lip oil, I'm like, eh. It's like just a colorless thing, right? But these, before we go to the next brand, keep in mind that this is the first of the first impressions. Like, I'm unboxing it right here with you. I have not tried any of the products, so of course I don't know if I will like the quality or not, but the YouTube videos always come with a delay, so if by the time I put up a video I will have tried the products and I will have contacted the brand and they have something like a discount or an affiliate code and I will have it, then of course you will see those on the screen. So keep in mind, it's not like I'm filming this unboxing because I have an affiliate code. I don't have any at the moment of filming, like any for these brands. I do have some others in the description box, but I might have if I like the products. That means that I have tried the products and I have liked them. Editing Julia here. You will not believe what I just found out about Elli J Beauty, but first, this is the Elli J Beauty Teal Deal lipstick. It's transfer proof and amazing. Let's not try the hollow lip gloss. It's one of those viral glosses. The lighting doesn't do justice. But I'm just doing this so quickly. Oh my god. Whoa. I think even in this lighting we can appreciate the insanity of the sparkle, right? And I was scrolling through their social media hoping to like some of the posts and find out about the affiliate program, and I found out that they were about to close. I found a post about that and a statement on their website because they don't have enough orders. Let's save them together, guys. I'm not gaining anything from this. I'm not affiliated with a brand. They're closing down their affiliate program. But if you were considering to buy some funky colors, or maybe even some more ordinary colors, I'm telling you the quality of the liquid lipsticks is awesome. They're pigmented, they glide on smoothly, they don't feel drying. The lip gloss is super sparkly. You can see it better with the flash, but still, even like that, it's very sparkly, and especially in real life. And the lip oils were hydrating and pigmented. And I just fell in love with the brand, so let's try to save it together. If you were thinking of placing an order with an indie brand for some liquid lipsticks or lip glosses, I know that people are big on these currently, for example, please consider buying them from Elli J Beauty. And I'm not saying you have to take the money out of your groceries and buy something that you don't need. No, of course don't do that. If you were planning to buy some makeup, if you can, and if you wanted to, please consider buying it from there, because the quality will not disappoint and you will help to save somebody's dream. This unboxing is from VE Cosmetics. This box is huge and beautiful, and these are lip products in there. Okay, so I have opened the box already. I have seen like the lipstick colors in there, but I have not opened the little boxes. I have not opened the lipsticks themselves. Let's try everything out. And we also have like 3 different formulas here, so it won't be a one-size-fits-all. But we have liquid matte lipstick, liquid moisture lipstick, which I assume will be a little bit like NYX Liquid Suede. We'll see. And we will have the Magic Metallic lipstick. I will test them in the coming days, weeks. I will let you know. For now, it's the first impression, it's the first unboxing. One I'm the most curious about this color is called Joy. And is it lime? Is it yellow? I think it's like a lemon yellow. The smell is pretty nice, like it's neutral. I think it's pretty much unscented. Love this one. Then right next to it, we have the Strange and Unusual, which is a lime green, and they are both liquid moisture formulas. The last in the liquid moisture formula is called Nebula, and can you tell I love this one? I mean, obviously, duh. Such a beautiful purple, very slightly muted, but still vibrant. Now, these two are Magic Metallic lipsticks in the colors Blue and Magician. Absolutely love both of them. Oh, look at the shine. The wands are pretty much the same. And we have 3 liquid mattes. We have Persephone, 420 and 269. Does 269 mean anything? Ah, there they are. I know what 420 meant. Okay, I'm not that uneducated. Love this emerald green, and the tubes are slightly different here, and so are the wands. I imagine this would be perfect for lip art. Love this color, my second favorite. These are my 2 favorites, obviously. 269. This is like a very warm purple, like a purple magenta, I guess. And I have been dying to get such a color because all the purples I have are cool toned, and although I love cool toned purples more, but sometimes, you know, I want to warm purples. Sometimes that's what I want to go for. And this is pure magic. It shifts from like brown to orange to green, like almost to blue. It's like, wow. It's definitely a metallic, but it says liquid matte, so I assume that maybe those metallic lipsticks do not dry down to completely matte, and these do. Here are all the colors, VE Cosmetics. Thank you so much. You cannot imagine how I appreciate this. I cannot wait to create a lip art with them. So this is the liquid moisture formula, this is the magic metallic formula, and this is the liquid matte formula. And I was especially dying for a yellow like this, for a lemon yellow. This is one swipe, guys, just to show you how it actually works. One swipe. Here are the VE Cosmetics swatches, and this Persephone color is so interesting. See how it shifts from brown to like an orange color. I don't really see the green here, but I definitely see some shift. And now I'm curious. These have almost dried down, so shall we try if they're transfer proof? Okay, so the matte lipsticks. Okay, they transfer slightly, but not a lot. See, the lipstick is pretty much in place still. What about the metallic formula? Same thing. They transfer a little bit. Well, this one hasn't just dried down completely. But even the blue one has transferred slightly, but they're mostly still in place. So as I was saying before, I think these will feel more or less like the old NYX Liquid Suedes, if you remember those. And these are, yeah, these are transfer proof. And if you're thinking, where do I get the ideas to use all these wild colors together? Girl, I got you. I have a whole lip art ebook with simple lip looks and complicated lip arts. Link down below in the description box. Swatching these, it is hard to believe that there was a time when lipstick pigmentation, liquid lipstick pigmentation, was a problem. And I'm not talking about the products that are intentionally sheer, like sheer lip gloss or lip topper, but the actual liquid lipstick, and we would still buy them and layer them because there were so few of them. The colors were so hard to get, but like the pigmentation of all of these is so great. We're living a great time. Important question, which of these formulas and which of these brands do you want to see swatched and reviewed first, if any at all? And which colors did you like the most? Because I'm really curious what you are into, and if you want, you can see this reviews playlist to know even more about different makeup products, including indie brands. See you there. Bye.